Content: engine parts. Function of engine parts. 1. Engine parts. Cylinder block, cylinder head, pistons, connecting rods, crankshaft, camshaft, valves, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, fuel injectors, spark plugs, timing belt or chain, oil pump, water pump, engine block coolant passages, engine block oil passages, engine block ventilation system PCV, engine sensors, for example, temperature, oxygen. 2. Function of engine parts. Piston converts energy from expanding gas into rotational motion. Cylinder provides the chamber for the piston to move up and down. Crankshaft converts reciprocating motion of the piston into rotational motion. Camshaft controls the opening and closing of the engine's valves. Valves regulate the flow of air and fuel into and out of the cylinders. Spark plugs ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Fuel injectors sprays fuel into the combustion chamber. Intake manifold distributes air to the cylinders. Exhaust manifold collects exhaust gases from the cylinders. Timing belt or chain synchronizes the rotation of the camshaft and crankshaft. Connecting rods transfers motion from the piston to the crankshaft. Cylinder head houses the valves, spark plugs, and often the fuel injectors. Timing belt chain tension maintains proper tension on the timing belt or chain. Oil pump circulates oil throughout the engine for lubrication and cooling. Houses the cylinders, crankshaft, and other major engine components. Engine mount secure the engine to the chassis and dampen vibrations. PCV positive crankcase ventilation valve controls the flow of gases from the crankcase to the intake manifold. Throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine. EGR exhaust gas recirculation valve recirculates exhaust gas into the intake manifold to reduce emissions. Turbocharger increases engine power by compressing air before it enters the cylinders. Supercharger increases engine power by compressing air using a belt connected to the crankshaft. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Garage Auto Fix.